Welcome to Throwback Thursday. Today we'll modernize a salad with its origins in 1950s Italy. The classic Caprese salad with a delightful twist, a homemade balsamic glaze, one of my favorites for summer. Start with a medley of vibrant heirloom tomatoes, 2 to 3. Cut them into bite-sized wedges for a colorful base. Add 1 cup of creamy mozzarella pearls that melt in your mouth, a modern upgrade. Gently scatter the mozzarella pearls over the tomato wedges. Take a handful of stacked basil leaves and slice across to create ribbons. Toss in the fresh basil ribbons. Take in the aroma. Now, the secret ingredient, a drizzle of our luscious homemade balsamic glaze. In a small saucepan, heat 1/2 cup of balsamic vinegar over medium heat. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens into a glaze. Let it cool slightly, then drizzle over the salad. Top it off with a handful of delicate microgreens for an elegant finish. Time to enjoy this harmony of flavors and textures. Stay tuned as we continue to remember the classics. Let us know what you think when you make this delicious Italian salad. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your favorite throwback recipes in the comments below.